Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make Kerala style wheat string hoppers or kothuma Idiyappam. This is a very delicious and famous breakfast recipe in South India. You can enjoy this with either coconut milk and sugar or with some kurma. Very easy recipe, so let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Heat a pan. Into this add 1 cup of wheat flour. Dry roast for 5 minutes in low flame. After 5 minutes, you will start to get a nice aroma. At this stage, off the flame and transfer it to a mixing bowl. To this, add 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 2 teaspoons of oil. Mix it well with a spoon and make sure the ingredients are well spread. Now start to add 1 cup of hot water little at a time and mix it well. Add water until you get a single dough consistency. Now the dough has come together very well and we have the perfect consistency. So let's start to make the wheat string hoppers. Today I have taken a string hoppers maker. Fill in the dough and press it a little and check the flow. The flow is very smooth. I have taken a string hoppers plate. Grease it well with oil or ghee. Make string hoppers on it. We have nice and thin string hoppers, so let's go and steam it. Place it in an idli cooker. Close it with a lid and let this steam for 5 minutes in high flame. It's been 5 minutes now, so let's off the flame and open and check. The wheat string hoppers is well cooked and ready. Remove the wheat string hoppers from the plate and serve it hot with some coconut milk and sugar or with some kurma and enjoy with your family and friends. This string hoppers is a very mild breakfast and you can serve this even for 6 months baby. Very easy, delicious and a healthy breakfast recipe. So do try this Kerala style wheat string hoppers recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.